In the previous video, we showed how you could set up different tiers for different membership levels. In this video, I want to show you how you can use those tiers to provide access to different features of the ReplicAItor program based upon which tier someone has decided to join your program at. So let's go under AI Coach feature gating. And we can see that there's a bunch of visibility settings for the various tabs. Those are different than what is actually gated. If we actually slide down to the bottom and we look at the feature access control, this is where we can provide access to different features based upon their paid membership pro levels. So you'll see a column labeled over here, PMPro level IDs. Well, if we go back to our paid membership pro dashboard under view membership levels, we can see that there's an ID of 1, 2, 3, and 4 based upon the levels that we had set up. So standard is a ID of 1, premium's an ID of 2, and VIP's a level of 4. So under the AI Coach feature gating, when we see these numbers, that's what these represent. So something, for example, the persistent profile files is only available to members that have a level of either 2 or 4. The same thing with the report card. We could even do things like with the stick figure overlay if we wanted to. The talking head videos only apply to a VIP membership and so forth. So let's go ahead and log out. And I am going to log back in, this time as Abby. And when we log in, we can see that Abby has a membership level of standard with an ID of 1. We just put that up here so that we can see what we are dealing with. And let's just go ahead and try to run an analysis. And we'll go ahead and run an analysis just like we always would and get feedback. Now, the analysis part runs exactly the same. We did not gate the analysis part, and this being the core part of the replicator, we don't want to gate that for people that are paying less each month. So we can see that it's going to go ahead and process the file and give us feedback exactly as we would expect. Now, once we have all of our feedback in here, we can see we went ahead and got a diagram presented to us. We could gate that also. We did not. But if we go back up to our profile tab and we slide down here, we can see that our persistent files we did gate. And so we get a call out that says, hey, this is only available for VIP members. Upgrade it to unlock your membership. And if we had provided a link in there, we could have gone ahead and put a button in there that allowed them to update right there. If we go to the report card, we get the same type of thing. This is feature gated based upon what each level is defined based upon how you want to present features to your clients. So that is a way that you can make it so that only certain people that are paying you more money get access to certain features. Now, if we go back to the custom tab 2 is visible. We are going to unhide custom tab 1. And custom tab 1, we have gated so that only VIP members can see it. If we save those changes, it's not allowing me to do this because I'm logged in as Abby. Now, if we are logged in as a VIP member, you'll notice that we have a tab called Products. We gated this so that that particular tab is only available to VIP members. The Products tab, where people can buy certain things from you, is not necessarily something that you would only allow VIP members to do. Perhaps it is, but you could actually make that tab be anything you wanted it to be. And so VIP members have access to that. If I log out again and log back in as Abby, we can see that Abby is in there. If I click on the Products tab, it says the feature's unavailable, or it's available for VIP members only. So that is how you can basically make any feature of the ReplicAItor Coach be available only to people that you have assigned them to based upon their paid membership pro levels.